morning, the Honorable Gusti Murah Agung Wijaya Mahardika, SPD, MPD, the Lecturer of Advanced Speaking, and all of my beloved friends, students of English Language Education Department 4B class. Thank you for the opportunity that given to me. First of all, allow me to express my deepest gratitude to Sang Hyang Widi Wasa, the Almighty God, for all of His blessings that we can gather here today. Some people say actions speak louder than words, but I would like to address those words are powerful weapons that can change the world if we use them wisely. Like what I do right now, I'm voicing my voice regarding what happens on our beautiful planet. We all know that the earth isn't young anymore. Also, we all know that many people in this world still facing the same problem over and over again. That is we call global warming. Global warming is a big problem that is currently being faced by all of the human beings and living things on Earth, which is marked by an increase in the Earth's temperature, which is getting hotter. Besides that, climate change is also one of the signs. Ladies and gentlemen, based on the compass.com, global warming is an increase in the average surface temperature of the Earth due to the effects of greenhouse gases such as CO2, or we usually call carbon dioxide emissions. This source of which comes from our activities using non-renewable energy, which traps heat that should be going out of the earth. Global warming happens due to various human cause factors such as forest burning, burning fossil fuels for vehicles, and also industry, even agriculture and animal husbandry carried out by the community, some of that which produce carbon emissions. The highest temperature growth can be observed, especially during the last 20 years. The evidence for climate change from observations of the atmosphere and the surface has grown significantly over the past few years, according to Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, or IPCC assessment reports. From observations and measurements, we can state that the global, I mean the land and also the sea, surface temperatures show a warming of 1.5 Celsius degree in the period of 21st century. Global warming certainly has a fairly dangerous impact on the inhabitants of the earth. We take an easy example. Global warming makes glaciers melt and causes land that was previously land to become a sea, because the volume of water increases. If warming continues, it is not possible that all of the polar ice caps will melt. Some predictions say the land will begin to disappear within 30 years from now. So, if global warming is not suppressed, humans will find it difficult to find a place to live in the volume of water that continues to increase. So here are some actions that we could do to decrease the impact of global warming. First, environmental conservation. Environmental conservation can be done by planting trees and also reforesting land under critical conditions. Plants have the process of photosynthesis to survive this. In this process, plants can produce oxygen. The more oxygen produced by plants, the number of carbon gases in the atmosphere will decrease. Second, we can use alternative energy. So the alternative energy can be a solution to decrease the global warming. The use of alternative energy can reduce the use of fossil fuels or non-renewable energy, for example, petroleum and coal. Fossil fuels produce a lot of carbon gases caused by the combustion process of these materials. The alternative energy that can be used by humans as a substitute for non-renewable energy sources is bioenergy, wind energy, electric energy, solar energy, and so on. Last but not least is public education. The world community needs to have an education and understanding of environmental problems in order to overcome these problems. An understanding of the mindset and behavior of humans that have a good impact on our environment is needed so that people have awareness and will foster a sense of love for the environment. We can conclude that global warming is a serious problem that faced by all of the countries in the world. Global warming is increasing every year, because humans don't care about our surroundings and also our society. We just take an advantage from our nature. We as humans who live in this modern era should be able to use our intelligence to maintain and make our earth better so that it becomes a livable place for the next generation. Well, ladies and gentlemen, small things do have meaning. It is like a little snowball that rolls from top of a hill and goes down of the hill. It will get bigger as the snowball reaches the bottom of the land. That goes the same with our actions, starting with the small things, but I believe one day will have a big impact on our future work. So don't forget, commitment is the key. I am Derry. Thank you very much for your attention and have a wonderful day.